Here is lesson 22 for trombone. We will play numbers 51 and 54. Okay? As always, you should have already looked through them and be able to play them. We are playing along with the videos just to make sure that you understand it and that you get all of it correct. Okay? So, take your mouthpiece out and let's buzz it. Here is first note for number 51. Alright, let's play it. Alright, let's buzz it. 1, 2, ready. Did you notice how I only looked at my slide maybe, 2, 3 times? If you're watching your slide for every position and trying to make sure you get it in that right spot, you haven't learned your positions well enough yet. You should be able to just find each position without having to look for it. Alright, so that was number 51. Go ahead and rewind the video and play along with it. Okay, our code word for lesson 22 is embouchure. E-M-B-O-U-C-H-U-R-E, embouchure. Do you know if you have a good embouchure yet? Okay, your embouchure is how your lips form on the mouthpiece to make sound. Okay, you've been told about embouchure during class. You have hopefully been told by a private teacher. If you don't have one, I suggest you find one. Okay, let us move on to number 54. Baffling bar lines. You'll notice there are no bar lines, are there? There are no measures, no measure lines. Okay, so what you have to do is write them in. Okay, we will check this in class when you turn in the sheet, and we'll see how we did on them. Okay, how do you find out where the bar lines go? First of all, you have to know your time signature. Time signature is 4/4. That means you have 4 beats per measure, and a quarter note is what gets the beat. So every time you tap your foot, that's a quarter note. Okay? Half notes get 2 beats. So with that, there's your first measure. You have half note, which is 2 beats. You have another half note, which is another 2 beats. There's 4 beats. There's your first measure. Okay? So your first bar line goes after that second half note. Okay? And then you can find the rest yourself. Here we go. Let's buzz along with number 54. I'll play it. Here's your first note. Here we go, 54. 1, 2, ready. Alright, and that was number 54. Alright, sorry, that was lesson 22. Thank you for joining me.